Sound means a lot to animals. It is a very important part of their communication. Animals of various species use different sounds for different purposes throughout their daily and seasonal lives. You may have seen photos of these animals, but have you heard their sounds and what they possibly represent? If you haven't, you should watch as we bring you various sounds of big cats, birds, and many more. Lions. Lions have an incredible variation of calls. Lion sounds include purrs, grunts, growls, hums, meows, roars, and moans. Roaring is apparently the most significant of them all. Lions' roars are a show of power. They are used to assert dominance and to tell rivals and other animals how big they are. Roars warn other lions off a territory or kill, as well as frightening everything else on the savannah, safari visitors included. Just listen to this. If you haven't heard the lion roar in real life, you probably won't get the exact picture. Lion's roar can be heard 8 kilometers away. The roars are scary. If you visit a zoo where they are kept and you are lucky to have one male lion roar, not only will you marvel at each sound, you will feel it too. You can feel the vibrations under your feet. Remarkably, the lion has the loudest roar of all the big cats. This lion is the only adult male on this property. So when a BBC crew of researchers played a roaring sound with a loudspeaker to his hearing, his reaction tells the story of how territorial male lions are. The most common lion sounds are low-pitched grunts. Some safari guides have learned to imitate these grunts and have conversations with the big cats. Smaller cats, including the domestic kind, communicate through purrs and meows, as grunts are louder and more forceful, only possible for a larger cat. Grunts are everyday communication, and each lion can demonstrate a wide range of pitch and volume. If you get close to a lion pride, you will start to hear more noises: soft purring, gentle moans, regular huffing and puffing, and some more. These are happy lion sounds used between individuals within a pride. Lions indeed have other sounds through which they communicate, but let's move over to other big cats. Tigers. Unlike lions, tigers can mimic the sounds made by other animals in order to lure them and prey upon them. This tiger is doing exactly that. Tigers also growl, hiss, shove, grunt, and moan. Let's listen to some of these sounds. Leopards. Away from tigers, leopards do not disappoint. All big cats are adorable. Cheetah. Here is Cheetah, the fastest land animal. They are not so loud and deep, but they make unique sounds. Clouded leopard.
Good boy.
Eurasian Lynx. Cougar. Domestic cats. Away from cats, let's listen to some birds. Chicken. Chickens make this noise when they are frightened by humans, other animals, or predators. On the other hand, the next sounds can be observed when they are at peace with their current environment. Hermit Thrush. This is Hermit Thrush, one of the birds with the most melodious songs in the world. Duck. Eagle. Turkey. Goose. Owl. If you haven't heard the sounds made by the biggest bird in the world, you may have mistaken the sound you are about to hear for one made by some other animal. But this is the ostrich. Cassowary, the most dangerous bird to humans, makes similar sounds. Away from birds, we have interesting sounds from other animals. Elephant, the biggest land animal alive today. Goat. Cow. Horse. Dog. Giraffe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.